Today I will guide you how to sign up Snapchat on Android. The first thing you need to do is make sure to install the Snapchat application on your mobile device. Once you have installed, tap on Snapchat. In order to sign up, you need to simply tap on sign up button at the bottom left corner of the screen. You need to allow Snapchat to access your contacts if you want. If you don't want, you need to tap on deny. For now, let's tap on allow. You need to enter your first and last name on this first page. So once you enter your first and last name, you need to tap on continue to head on the next step. Here you need to enter your birthday. Once you enter your birthday, tap on continue button. And here, if you want to change your username, you can tap on my username link and change it. Otherwise, you can keep it as default. Let's tap on it and change it as well. After that, tap on continue, and here you need to set a password. So once you have set a password, if you want to save login info on your device, you can tap on the tick mark on this box. Otherwise, you need to untick mark it. Once you are done with step 4, you need to tap on continue. So once you get access to this step 5, you need to complete your steps by entering your email or phone number instead. So once you enter the email, let's tap on continue button. Here you need to enter the country and the phone number that you reside and you use, so that a verification code will be sent to your SMS to verify your phone number. If you don't want to follow this step, you can tap on skip at the top right corner of the screen. Once you have done that, you can tap on add 7 friends here, or else you can tap on skip. Following all this step, you can easily create your account on Snapchat. Let's go on the profile, and here you can easily see that I have already created an account on Snapchat. So this way you can easily sign up to your Snapchat application. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this was, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.